All righty, team. Let's go ahead and cover our watch list. We're live on TikTok, live. Let's go ahead and cover the rest of the day today. So, really, what's going on is that we have to really identify what are the best stocks to watch. And in my opinion, we have CTIC, but we're going to go ahead and cover our watch list from top to bottom. First, we have ATXI, no news. ATXI has a 10x relative volume with a 10 million float. They are Avenue Therapeutics Incorporated, so it is a mover, but we don't have any catalyst. CTIC, they have FDA approval, so that's all we need to know is FDA approval, FDA accelerated approval, because that is a key word. Now, we have CTIC with like a 9 million, with a 9x relative volume and a 90 million float. So the float is a little bit more than I would like, but we have a really big just relative volume. Now we have REER and AREB. We are moving down. We have been in a downtrend since 5:30 this morning. And I'm looking for a downtrend potentially for the break. No news. So that's just no news. So we have GBS. Again, no news as well. Been in a downtrend since 6:30 this morning. We have GBS with a 2x relative volume and a 13.8 million in float. So that is a low float. That hits the criteria. That's what we like. And we have MULN. MULN is definitely one that I like. I kept on watch for the past couple days. We are gapping up now. We're at 214 at the previous high. Let's go ahead and clean up this my support and resistance, make this a little bit more clear. So yesterday's high was at 195 in a low pre-market of 154. So that's what I like to see. I would like to see us stay above 154. If we hold this level and continue higher, break 214, where could we go? I would say our next possible resistance is going to be at 250 and then at 280. After that level, we don't really have much resistance until 340. So this is definitely what MULN is going to keep one on watch, but we have GBS with no news. So right now our top stock to watch is going to be CTIC with the best news. That's one that's moving, and that's the one that's on our stocks to watch. Now we have PHCF. Choppy during pre-market, not seeing news. And let's go ahead and check out as well GFAI. Not as well, not liking GFAI as well. Guard Force AI accelerates U.S. market entry. So yeah, it's news. And we have GFAI with around a 1x relative volume. So nothing crazy. Thank you guys for popping into the stream. We have 6 viewers. Go ahead. Let's try to get to 100 likes today on this stream. Ideally, let's try to get to 1,000, but that's towards the end. We could get to 100 likes. I'd really appreciate it. If you guys really want to actually get some value out of this trading session, come over to the YouTube. You can see my screen much better. You can see exactly what I'm doing. I don't hide anything from you. You can see my P&L. I'm fully transparent. Fully transparent. What crypto should I buy now? No crypto. Don't buy crypto right now. It's already pumped, so do not buy it. Thank you for the likes. Crypto is already pumped. You should have bought on the dip. I do expect a pullback. Let's go ahead and actually cover the crypto market real quick. So if you're on YouTube, sorry if you're coming in for day trading, but we're going to go ahead and actually cover Bitcoin real quick. All right, here we go. So Bitcoin on the daily, we have pumped We had a nice demand candle, or we had a nice really high volume candle on this, and then we got a pop, a nice break above, higher low. I do with decreasing volume. Let's go ahead and jump over to the 4 hour to see a little bit more in depth on what's actually happening. Again, I do think this trend is going to continue. We're coming into some resistance as well right now into that $45,000 level. I mean, if we break this $45,000 level, we're coming up to 52. Coming up to 52 if we break and hold this $45,000 level. I mean, really, if we break above that level, we're coming up to 57 or 56. And then 61 in that previous high, guys. So we have a lot of resistance, but it looks like we do actually have a nice, I mean, we have a nice head and shoulders pattern, pull back, it's a retest, and then we dumped. Let's go ahead and now it looks like we are actually looking like a possible reversal. I do think we're going to see Bitcoin come back down to 40,000. I think really if you want to buy is waiting for that pullback. I doubt it will break. Yes. Now the volume is decreasing, so I do agree with you. Thank you guys. We have 200 likes. We can get to 500. I know we can. Yeah. So right now the volume is decreasing on the 4 hour and on the daily, so that is telling me that this trend is starting to slow down. The momentum is slowing down, so I would wait for a pullback down to 40,000. If you're looking to buy into any cryptocurrency for the pump, for the move higher, I would wait for a pullback down to 40,000. Now, Bitcoin, I'm not putting my money in Bitcoin. Bitcoin has too high of a market cap for me to actually want to trade it. But I am going to be looking at VXV, QNT, MTV. MTV and VXV are probably the ones that I'm scaling into. I also have ALI. I'm looking to actually scale out of ALI, excuse me, because it's not really performing how I want it to. And I don't want to get too attached to one particular cryptocurrency because anything can happen. So thank you guys so much for stopping in. I really appreciate it. Oh, let me make this a little bit better. Where are my settings? Or maybe comments, admin settings, nope. I'm trying to flip my camera, so I don't know how to do that. TikTok universe. Awesome. I'm trying to flip my camera. Excuse me. All right, I can't flip my camera. All right, do you usually do stocks? Yes, so I day trade equities and stocks because they're more predictable. I can see more data. I have access to more data and it's easier. And I invest in cryptocurrency. Now, I don't have any long-term stocks because I 100% believe that cryptocurrencies are the future for all big tech companies. Now, they might be listed on the NASDAQ, but it also might be just like it's following the coin or whatever I'm watching. Now, VXV wants to IPO on the NASDAQ, so that is definitely one that I'm going to keep on watching. That's definitely one that I want to look for, especially since they're going to be working with SpaceX's here, Microsoft, CERN. They're going to be working with a lot of different companies. And you can buy VXV on KuCoin. Again, I have no idea. I have a video on VXV on my YouTube, everything you need to know. So I definitely highly suggest that you guys go watch that. Whoa, sorry if you're on YouTube. I just absolutely punched my mic. Oh, that was probably loud. All right, guys. I'm still getting used to the mic being right here. Oh, yeah, guys. Right now. On YouTube, how are you guys doing? Thank you for stopping in. Let me know where you're from, your experience trading. If you're interested in learning about trading or any way that I can help you, let me know because I will be fully transparent. I will not hold anything back. Guys, that's the difference between alpha day trading and me and every other community out there. Me and Josh Howerton, who are both mentors inside of Alpha, we will give you information for free. We will give you education for free because we know that it's hard trading, that it's not all going to be roses and rainbows. It's going to be hard. You're going to have to go through a lot of shit to become profitable. You're going to have to go through a lot of mental shit to go profitable. It's stupid hard to be consistent. And So why would we hold that back? Because we have a lot more value than just hiding it away for you guys. We're not just going to send you guys alerts. We're actually going to educate you guys. So we have a lot of education and we have hundreds of hours of videos that on our platform that you guys can learn from. Hundreds of hours of custom videos. We don't copy and paste. So if you guys are interested, let me know. Do you like XRP and XLM? So I do not like those. I do have a bag of XRP, but I don't really. I took my money out after I started switching away from finding stocks that want to kind of replace the U.S. dollar. So I don't want to compete with the U.S. dollar. I want to, because the government will not let that happen. But it could. It very well could. So that's why I have a bag of XRP. I turn 18 in a few months. What should I look into when time comes? So 18, first thing you need to do, go to the bank, set up a credit card. Now, I don't know how I got my credit score right now. I'm 20. I have a credit score of around 740. So I'm not the best, but it's still good. I got that high because I had my mom go to the grocery store when I still lived with her. I live with my dad now. I'm still a beginner trader. Been trading for about a year. But so I'm being fully transparent because I don't want you guys to take everything that I say by heart. I'm just giving you guys my experience. But yes, when you're 18, get a credit card. When your mom goes to get groceries, you have her use your credit card, and then you have her Venmo you, and then you pay it off. And if you do that maybe once a month, twice a month, and then use your credit card for gas or any small expenses, you can build that credit score really quick. Now, when you turn 18, I suggest opening up a Coinbase account. Opening up a Coinbase account, KuCoin account, you don't really have to do anything, and a Trust wallet, Coinbase wallet, or some kind of crypto wallet. Because I can actually make a video on that today. That is actually a very good idea on what you should do if you turn just 18. So let me write that down real quick. Guys, market's open. We should be going. Today is Tuesday. All right, so I wrote that down. Can you see Phantom? Yeah, I like Phantom, but I'm not really investing in it. Looking for Benzinga Pro. What package do you recommend? I really don't. I haven't really looked into Benzinga Pro. I'm with Alpha Day Trading, so I haven't really looked into what's happening with them. So yeah, so I can't really recommend what package. So I can only really, the only experience I really have is with Alpha Day Trading. All right, guys, we have ATXI ripping to the upside. Not really ripping, but it's moving. We also has MULN moving as well. Everything on our watch list is now just kind of chilling back, waiting. GF. Oh, we have GFAI. We have GFAI team ripping to the upside. Let's go ahead and look. So, we have CTIC starting to get that reversal, possible red to green move. Here we go. Getting a nice move here. Let's go ahead and see what happens. I could possibly take around 400 shares here. 420. Let's go ahead and update my camera, get that live, and start recording. Here we go. All right. Looking for a nice bounce here. I like this very, very high volume doji candle at the bottom. It's not really a doji candle, but it is a small spread candle. I have to risk around 6 cents at the moment. Might go in with a little bit here. Risking a new low a day. Risking a new low a day. I just ended with around half my position. Nothing crazy. Risking a new low a day. Looking for a nice red to green move here. I like that we're buying pressure starting to come in. I want to look for a nice pop here. Only winning with around half my position. CTCI has a 1,880% relative volume. I want to see a nice pop here for a nice red to green move. Nice inside candle, nice, but we got some decreasing selling pressure. Let's see if this can continue higher. I do like that we got that really high volume doji candle with a nice green bullish candle and then light volume here. I'm risking a new low a day. I only went in with around half of my position. Looking to scale in here more. Looking for a nice pop. I'm only going with half because I wanted to see confirmation of this trade before I actually jump in here. So we're at 77. I got into this trade at 274. 274 is my entry. I'm up. Decreasing volume. But it looks like we are. Sellers, let's see what happens. We have a big seller at 276. If we can see that 276 seller start to get taken out, I'm risking a new low a day, so I might be stopped out here. That looks like it's unfortunate, but that looks like what's going to happen. I have my stops, and it's well within my risk management, so I'm not going to take this trade. If I get stopped out, it's okay. Looks like it's not. It looks like I'm not going to get stopped out. We have a really nice double bottom. Just kidding. No idea what's going to happen. We have to wait for this candle to close and see what's going on. We have increasing volume on this candle. Want to see this close with a small spread. Want to see this close with a small spread. That's what I like to see. That's exactly what I like to see. And we are now chilling. Okay, we're back up above. We have nice increasing volume. Let's see this close. There, I went in with more. There's a nice pop. Continue to rip here. There's the rip. Just sold more. Just sold more there. Have 320 left. Have 300 left. Stops are now at break even. Woo! Dumping back hard, guys. My stops are at break even. I got stopped out there. Should have sold more, but I did take a nice. Oh, I guess that's it for the day. Should have taken my profits. Should have taken more profits. I didn't get the nice. I took my stops are at break even. I guess I'll take 971 on the day. I should have taken there. I was looking for the nice washout, for the washout long. I got a nice pop there, but I wasn't able to capitalize on it. I should have sold more. I should have sold more. I sold less than half of my position at the top, and I got burned. But I'm still up profitable. I didn't want that to turn into a losing trade.